This video is for you because it's going to give you powerful tips on how to use Copilot in Excel to build a whole workbook in less than 10 minutes. Now, the video itself, the content will focus on using Copilot in Excel to develop a workbook that will focus on 5 AI stocks that, and it will return these 5 AI stocks based on the 6 months growth as well as the 1 month forecast in a set of whole data, market overview, market analysis, recommendations, the charts pies that will give me the growth in the last 6 months as well as the 1 month forecast, and how to make informative decision if I was to move forward with investing in the AI stocks. This video is going to give you, again, powerful tips on how to use Copilot in Excel, as well as a quick overview how to use the app Copilot itself to actually use natural language to define a task. And then you can then use that information in a very professional and technical ways to take that input into an Excel and then execute the request in Copilot in Excel. So stick around because this video is going to give you amazing demonstration that you can start to use now. The file in Excel is already created. I call this file my top 5 AI stocks between $10 and $15 range, daily performance, and I haven't done anything to the file. It's a brand new workbook, and here's a Copilot in Excel for which I will now provide the input to execute. I will keep it as it is on allow editing, and I will paste the input so that Copilot will now execute according to my request. It's analyzing the request for which it will execute each step according to the input. So here I have the first sheet, which reflects AI stocks list. That was precisely my request. And the second sheet is the dashboard. The third sheet is the market analysis. And the fourth sheet is the company evaluations. It is still executing the request, so I'll let it run the process until it's totally 100% completed. These are the 5 company names that Copilot has selected based on the price ranges that I've requested. The sector, defense AI, enterprise AI, healthcare AI, data services AI, computer vision AI. While it's still executing, I will let it run. Then we will review each sheet once this is fully executed. Just impressive. The company evaluation. The Copilot is still working through the process. Step 4 says that now let me verify the workbook and add a summary disclaimer. And at this point, it is completed. So complete AI stocks workbook created according to my request. I can either accept or undo. However, since I am 100% satisfied with the work, I will go ahead and click done and then review each sheet. So you can see here that the company code, this is for the sheet 1 AI stock list, ticker, current price, etc. Sheet 2 is the dashboard. This is the AI stocks dashboard, key performances indicator, nice comparison for each one of the stock. And here's the market analysis. And this is really great because by reviewing and analyzing this information now, you can make a pretty good decision on your investment should you move forward. Because with the 6 months growth for each one of these companies, you can see here that this for this company, for example, the Veri here, VERI, has a continuous growth. And this is really a good option if I was to proceed because it's showing a continuous growth. Started with $8.50, growing progressively. And at this point to July, it's at $11.80. So this is a great option to invest. The other one is this MARK. And if I go back to the MARK, that is the Remark Holdings Computer Vision, another great option to consider for my investment. 6 month growth rate, buy stock. You can see that the Veri here, this is a really great option for investment. And for the company evaluations, it gives you a really nice overview looking at the overall growth in the last 6 months. So if you have not been using Copilot in Excel, start small and then move forward with start leveraging the capabilities of Copilot in Excel. Of course, if you do not know how to create an input, I simply used the app here. I provided my input at a very natural language. I've even made a mistake here. You can see here how I typed it very quickly. I knew what I wanted, but Copilot is so powerful that it understands the natural language. And then it takes my information and then it processes in ways that it understands. And then it creates the input that I later used to build the analysis needed in Excel. If you like this video, drop a comment on the section below. Let me know your thoughts. And also let me know what AI features or Copilot you would like to upscale, and I'll make more videos in the future that I will be able to share on this channel.